Various armed rebel organizations in the region have called total shutdown all over Manipur, Kangleipak on October 15, the day Manipur was merged to the Indian Union in 1949. Conglomerate of armed rebel group CORCOM has called total shutdown on the day from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Media, electricity, water supply, fire brigade, medicals and rituals-related activities will be exempted during the total shutdown. CORCOM in a statement said that Manipur was annexed by India in collusion with the Congress Party on October 15, 1949, and in 2023, the government of India engineered a communal conflict in Manipur by using puppet government and their henchmen. It said that the day is observed as National Black Day by the CORCOM. The statement by the Publicity Committee of the CORCOM further said that the communal conflict engineered by the government of India, a large number of innocent people have been killed. Many are missing and a strong feeling of animosity has gripped several ethnic groups who were hitherto living together in peace.